Hello, and welcome to this healing session for anxiety. Get into a comfortable and relaxed position and just let go of all your daily stresses. Allow yourself to just be here now, letting your body just be. You don't have to do anything because our bodies naturally want to be calm and relaxed. Sometimes thinking too much or being tense and being anxious doesn't allow for us to relax. So naturally, we must let go of any need to control the present moment and future outcomes. We feel anxious because we tend to overanalyze what we think will happen today, tomorrow, or next week. We do this out of habit because in the past, situations and outcomes didn't happen the way we expected. And we tend to feel that we need to be in control and worried. In order to change this habit, we must change our self-image and create new beliefs. That's what this session will teach you. But first, we need to get in a relaxed state and go within, calming our mind with some breathing. I will count down, and with every number I say, I want you to fully inhale with your belly out and exhale, tightening your belly. And with each breath, you will feel more and more relaxed, taking you into a deep state of peace. I will begin to count down now, so be ready to take a deep in-breath. Ready? 5. Take a full in-breath, and as you exhale, feel the tension loosen a little bit. 4. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, feel even more relaxed and tensions let go. 3. Fully breathe in and out. Your mind is becoming calm and clear. 2. Inhale deeply, and when you exhale, observe how the need to control subsides as you become extremely relaxed. 1. As you take your last breath and exhale slowly, you feel any tension is gone, and you're in complete peace and tranquility. Now just breathe normally, whatever feels comfortable. Now you hear yourself saying, "I've survived this before. I'll survive now. I'm strong, and I persevere through anything." I know that I am not my anxiety. I can take things one step at a time. I live only in this moment. I approach this situation with openness and curiosity. I'm in charge of my breathing, and I can slow it down when I need to. I enjoy my feelings of inner calm. I am actively taking steps to reduce my anxiety. I am talented, and I have many things to offer. I cultivate peace to overcome anxiety. I'm courageous and can make it through anything. I use my unique strengths to move beyond anxiety. I know what I value and place my energy there. Life wants what is best for me. I am comfortable and connected with my environment. I can find pleasure in my life right now. I will only allow for healthy decisions in my life now. I am a strong, independent person. I am loved. I am unique. I am important. I matter. Therefore, I am worthy. I can do this. I love who I am. I am in control. I control my mind. It does not control me. I have the power to stop this. I succeed in what I do. I am relaxed. I am calm. I am successful. I am free from my anxiety. I am in control. I am above the stress of any kind. All is well. I am safe. I am prepared for change. I am strong. I acknowledge when it is difficult, and I know I will rise above it. Good. Now, I will count down from 5, and with each number I say, you will gain more and more awareness of the present moment. And as you do, you bring with you all that you've gained today. You take action with a new mindset, ready to tackle any challenges without getting anxious or worried. Five, coming back slowly. 4, feel how your body is laying or sitting. 3, you're becoming more alert. 2, you're aware of your surroundings. 1, you feel fully awake and refreshed. Good job today.